think I'm done with eating challenge. I think just after doing one, I don't know. My mind is not as strong as my stomach is a lot of the times.
It's like you're eating like 4,000
Yeah,
calories.
you've done the most eating challenges.
Yeah, I did one with Connor, the spiciest ramen one.
That was at least kind of nice. It was
But
just
I
too
was in
spicy.
so much pain afterwards. I figured it out now. I've told Chris this, and I'm like, we're gonna keep doing these like eating challenges because there's so many of them in Japan. But we're doing it once a year. Any more than that, I am gonna die at 40. It's not worth the views. Even if the meal was like kind of delicious, like at the beginning or whatever, by the end of it, I know this one meal has just aged me 5 years, and I just don't have the mentality to be like, yeah, let's keep doing this.